You can join this website for free. You can watch pages, like pages, even watch videos, and you can earn money. This is a simple website where you can earn some additional income every single day. Yeah, actually PayPal payout, and you can make free and easy money online using this website. So if you watch the video until the end, I'm going to show you how to create an account with it, how you can make money from it. Simple and short video, so you can use this website in some additional income every single day. So just jump into the video, guys. Before that, subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. I like more of those videos or something like that, so I can make video like this every single day. This website is called followfast.com, and you have to click this button called join here. In this page, you have to fill the information like username, email, password, location, and a referral. You can leave that empty, and you need to fill this information, and you need to click join. Now, after you create the account, I'm going to show you how your dashboard is going to look like and how you can make money online. This is your dashboard going to look like. After you create the free account with it, you already have a 50 points on here. Now, like I said before, you can watch, like, comment, and you can get points. Then you can convert that points for actual cash. So with the Facebook, you need to visit the page, like the photos, leave a comment, like their page or follow their page, you get points. You're going to do the same thing with YouTube. Play the video, like the video, or dislike the videos or subs. They also offer dislike videos here. Like you can see Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, and lots of other things, guys. Now I'm going to show you how you can make money watching YouTube videos. So click this one called YouTube button on here. Click play button like this one and watch the YouTube video for 35 seconds and you earn 10 points. So click play button. So you can mute this. If you go back to this page and it will show you, it will count on started. So you don't have to sit there and watch the videos. Normally what I do is, if I have a free time and watching like this one, I'm watching my favorite cartoon over there. So I'm watching that and I will minimize it like smaller tab on here. I just minimize that page and put it on the corner while I watch my cartoon or while I working on other things. So you don't even have to sit there and watch entire videos. That you can see after it's done and you get the points, you can see from 50 to 60 now. So you can do the same thing with that. Also, if you click a YouTube like button, all you have to do is you click like button and you earn 9 points for that. So what you can do is you can create a simple new YouTube account. Don't use your personal one or your own YouTube channels. Use the separate YouTube channels that you created, and you can use that to like these videos, guys. Again, you can subscribe, and again you can do the same thing. You don't have to use your own YouTube channel. Create a separate one which is free, and you can subscribe. You can earn 29 points. You can see 29. Now if we earn enough points, then you can withdraw that using PayPal. Now I'm going to show you how you can do that. First, what you do, click cash out button on here. You can see at the time 60 points is equal to 0.02 cents. So if it's 600 is 0.02, and if it's 6,000 is 0.2, and 60,000 is $2. Easily you can earn 60,000 points every single day from this website. Again, you can withdraw it using PayPal, and you can see there's a lots of other payout method on this website. So the minimum payout is $1.50 for PayPal, $1.50 for Bitcoin, and $1.50 for perfect money. And when you withdraw that money, the money will be appearing in your account within 3 to 5 working days, guys. Simple and easy. Now what you can do is you can earn enough points and you can promote your own YouTube channel. So when you come to this website, if you want to grow your own YouTube channels, what you can do is earn enough points and click this one called add pages site like YouTube, and you can say add video likes. What happens is you put the video title and the URLs, select how much points you want to offer that and how much minutes they want to watch your videos. And once you click start campaign or click add videos, what happens is using these points on your account, you can promote own YouTube videos. They will watch 30-second or 50-second of your videos and they will like it. So if you're a new YouTuber, you can use this website to grow your YouTube channels. What happens is when your videos start to get more views and likes, YouTube thinks so people are interested in these videos, then they started to push that video to a larger audience organically. So your video have a more exposure on YouTube itself. So when you are new YouTubers and you are creating fresh videos, you need to promote that video. So you need to get more likes and comments in order to push the video into YouTube, guys. So you can use this website to do that. But if you don't want that, you can just collect the points and withdraw that points using PayPal or Bitcoin. It is up to you guys. Again, this website is called followfast.com, where you can use this website to earn some additional money every single day, or you can use that website to grow your Facebook or YouTube or Pinterest and Instagram, Twitter accounts, and you can make money from those accounts using its own platform like YouTube or affiliate marketing. I will make a further video on that, how you can use this website, get engagement for your affiliate offers, and you can make money from it. If you want to learn about that, all you have to do is type the comment section, I want to learn more. I will make the video for you guys. And with that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.